In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy books on Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is go to the official website of Amazon. Click on the search bar and type in amazon.com, press enter. Or instead of that, you can also open the Amazon application if you want. You can see over here Amazon has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to buy the books, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply search for the books. Click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now you can search for the specific book that you would like to buy, or you can also write books generally. After you do that, press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply scroll down. You can see over here you'll be able to see various books. What you have to do is simply click on the book that you would like to buy. Now you'll be able to see the details regarding that book over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see more information. You'll also be able to see the information regarding the length, language, publisher, etc. If you look right over here, you'll be able to find the options like Kindle, audiobook, hardcover, audio CD. You can simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the price over here. Also, you'll be able to find the detail regarding the delivery over here. What you have to do is simply select the quantity. Click on the field of quantity. Now what you have to do is click on the quantity of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on this option buy now that you can see on the screen. Or if you want to buy it later, you can also click on the option add to cart. Now you can see over here, you'll directly be led to the checkout interface. In the checkout interface, make sure you've entered the delivery address. You can see over here, I've already entered it. You can also change it if you want. For that, click on this option change. Now what you have to do is select the payment method. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. What you have to do is simply click on the payment method of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option add a credit or debit card. Now once you do that, you'll be able to add the credit or debit card. All you have to do is enter the card information over here. First of all, enter the card number. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now also enter the name on card over here. Now what you have to do is select the expiration date. First of all, select the month. Now what you have to do is select the year. Now enter the security code over here, enter your CVV or CVC. Once you do that, click on this option, add your card that you can see on the screen. If your card informations are correct, this card will be added and you'll be able to pay with it. What you have to do is click on this option, use this payment method that you can see on the screen. Now wait until the transaction is completed. After the transaction is completed, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive your order. So that is how you buy books on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.